Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best tungsten wire is probably one of the most versatile and durable materials available today, finding its way into countless applications from lighting filaments and heating elements to specialized industrial uses and even scientific research due to its incredibly high melting point and resistance to corrosion. When you're looking to purchase tungsten wire, understanding its unique properties and how they translate to your specific needs is crucial for making an informed decision that will yield the best results and longevity for your project, ensuring you get the most value out of this remarkable metal. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Tungsten Electrode 10-Pack. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Tungsten Electrode, a premium 10-pack designed for superior performance. These electrodes are crafted to meet rigorous industry standards for quality and traceability. Adhering to international standards, each electrode guarantees 100% traceability. You can trust in a consistent quality and reliability of these essential welding consumables. Experience high performance with electrodes manufactured to precise specifications. They offer fast arc striking and a low burn-off rate, resisting thermal shock and splitting even under heavy amperage. Benefit from excellent electrical conductivity, ensuring reliable and consistent performance in DC applications. These electrodes are ready to help you achieve perfect, consistent welds every time. Ideal for a variety of DC applications, including welding copper, nickel, titanium, and stainless steel alloys. They are perfect for beginners, intermediate, and professional TIG welders alike. Each pack contains 10 332x7 red tungsten electrodes, vacuum sealed to prevent oxidation. This ensures long-term preservation and readiness for your next project. What we like. This tungsten electrode offers exceptional quality and adheres to strict standards, ensuring reliability. It boasts a low burn-off rate and resists splitting even under heavy amperage. If you're looking for consistent performance and durability in demanding DC welding applications, especially on thick materials, this is your go-to choice. What people say. Worked great for what I needed them for. Good quality. Item was delivered in super fast and worked perfectly. Number 4. ER4043 Aluminum TIG Welding Rod. Introducing our ER4043 TIG Welding Rod, designed for superior performance. Its 5% silicon content enhances melt pool liquidity for smoother welds. Experience improved fluidity thanks to the added silicon. This feature makes handling the molten metal easier and more precise. This versatile rod is suitable for a broad spectrum of aluminum alloys. It works effectively with common grades like 3003, 5052, and 6061, as well as casting alloys. Enjoy a stable arc and minimal spatter during your welding projects. It's less sensitive to weld cracking, ensuring more reliable results. Available in convenient diameters of 1/8, 332, and 1/16, each rod is 16 long and weighs 1.8 lb. These dimensions are perfect for various TIG welding tasks. Benefit from excellent corrosion resistance after welding. This ensures the longevity and integrity of your aluminum welds. What we like. Featuring 5% added silicon, this welding rod enhances melt pool liquidity for smoother welds. It also offers a stable arc with minimal splatter. If you're working with various aluminum alloys and need a filler material that reduces post-weld cleanup and provides a clean finish, this rod is an excellent option. What people say. Reliable TIG welding rod with excellent performance. Low splatter. I noticed very minimal spatter during welding, which makes cleanup much easier and improves the final weld appearance. Corrosion resistance. The welds have held up well against oxidation and corrosion, perfect for outdoor or automotive applications. Number 3. NEWTRY 52-hole tungsten carbide wire drawplate. This tool features 52 precisely tapered holes, ranging from 0.26 mm to 4.1 mm. This design ensures smooth transitions, making it easy to draw wires to your desired thickness for various projects. Weighing just over a pound, this wire drawplate is incredibly portable and convenient. It comes in exquisite packaging, ensuring it's protected during transport and ready for use anywhere. It's perfect for working with a wide range of precious metals, including gold, silver, and copper. Whether you're a beginner or a professional jeweler, this tool is suitable for creating intricate designs. Crafted from durable tungsten steel, this drawplate offers high hardness and excellent wear resistance. The manually processed holes ensure accuracy and a long service life for consistent results. Experience effortless wire drawing with this tool. Users praise its smoothness, accuracy, and how it doesn't shave the metal, making it a joy to use for creating fine jewelry. Customers are amazed by its precision and the quality of the material. It's highly recommended for its accuracy and effectiveness, especially when working with gold for jewelry making. What we like. This drawplate offers a wide range of 52 holes, from 0.26 mm to 4.1 mm, for versatile wire shaping. Its lightweight and portable design makes it convenient for any workspace. If you're a jewelry maker, whether beginner or professional, looking to precisely shape precious metal wires like gold, silver, or copper, this tool provides the accuracy and durability you need. What people say. This NEWTRY round draw plate works, and works with ease. The wire pulls through like butter. This excellent quality draw plate. I highly recommend this as an excellent quality draw plate. Number 2. Tungsten Carbide Wire Drawplate for Jewelry Making. Introducing our premium Tungsten Carbide Wire Drawplate, designed for precision and durability. This essential tool is perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It features 52 precisely sized round holes, ranging from 0.26 mm to 4.10 mm. This allows for a wide range of wire diameters to be drawn with ease. Crafted from solid tungsten carbide, this tool is built for long-term use. Its robust construction ensures reliability for countless projects. This drawplate is a versatile tool, perfect for working with gold, silver, platinum, and copper wire. It's an indispensable addition to any jeweler's toolkit. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use wherever your creativity takes you. Convenience is key for on-the-go crafting. Experience superior performance thanks to its fine workmanship. The smooth finish ensures effortless wire drawing and excellent results every time. What we like. With 52 precisely sized round holes ranging from 0.26 mm to 4.10 mm, this drawplate ensures smooth and accurate wire reduction. Crafted from durable tungsten carbide, it's built for long-term use. If you need a reliable and well-made tool for creating consistent wire sizes for jewelry making or other crafts, this drawplate offers excellent performance. What people say. The listed sizes on the gauge are not correct. I was sizing some wire trying to get down to 1.0 or 18 gauge and I measured it with my calipers. After pulling through the 1.2 hole it measured 1.0 in most places, so it was the right size. The moral of the story is don't believe the sizes, check the wire with calipers. As others have stated, it is a bit sharp, so you might want to hit the edges with a file. Fonction très bien. Number 1. AIM-8 Tungsten Carbide Wire Drawplate. Introducing the AIM 8-inch wire drawplate, your essential tool for precise wire shaping. Designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, it ensures smooth and accurate results every time. This drawplate is engineered to work with a variety of metals, including gold, silver, platinum, brass, copper, and soft steel. Effortlessly reduce and shape the thickness of your wires for any project. Crafted from high-quality steel with a tungsten carbide insert, it offers exceptional durability for long-term use. Its super smooth surface guarantees no scratches on your precious metals. Featuring 52 round holes with diameters ranging from 0.26 mm to 4.10 mm, it allows for gradual and controlled wire reduction. The progressively smaller holes make transitioning between sizes incredibly easy. Perfect for jewelry making and other intricate crafts, this tool helps you achieve the exact wire sizes you need. Elevate your creations with perfectly formed wire components. Its lightweight design makes it convenient to carry and use wherever your creativity takes you. Experience fine workmanship and excellent performance in a compact package. What we like. This 8-inch drawplate features 52 gradually sized holes from 0.26 mm to 4.10 mm, designed for effortless wire shaping. Its super smooth surface prevents scratching your metal. If you are a jewelry maker aiming to reduce and shape various metal wires like gold, silver, platinum, or copper with precision and without damaging the material, this drawplate is an ideal choice. What people say. The holes are graduated, but like almost every plate, sometimes they are a bit larger or smaller. Just got to get used to the foibles of your tools. Mine worked a treat. Love it. Exactly what I wanted for stretching and straightening fine wire. A very well and heavily made drawplate. I will use it for years to come. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.